Let's talk about camouflage. Camouflage is an adaptation that helps animals hide from predators, blend in, or sneak up on prey. And today, I'll talk about 4 types of camouflage: concealing coloration, disruptive coloration, disguise, and mimicry. First, let's talk about concealing coloration. This is when an animal's natural colors blend in with its surroundings. Some examples of this are the Arctic fox, whose fur is brown or gray during the summer, but it turns white during the winter to blend in with the snow. Or the blue shark. When viewed from above, their dark blue dorsal side blends in with the deep ocean. And when viewed from below, their white underbelly blends in with the bright surface water. Next, let's talk about disruptive coloration. This is when an animal has specific patterns that break down the outline of its body. This makes it hard for other animals to recognize its shape. For example, when zebras stand together in a group, their stripes all together create an illusion that makes it really hard for predators to make out one specific zebra. Next, let's talk about disguise. This is when an animal has a similar form, texture, or physical characteristics to an inanimate object or plant in its surroundings, such as this bug called the walking stick here, looks just like a walking stick, and this bug called the walking leaf looks just, yeah, you get it. Lastly, let's talk about mimicry. This is when an animal has features to make it look like a whole different animal. For example, the very harmless scarlet king snake mimics the very venomous coral snake, or even the alligator snapping turtle when it tricks fish into thinking its tongue is a tasty worm.
That's not the worm. Pardon? That's not the worm. That's its tongue.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. How can you talk about camouflage without bringing up the chameleon? Don't they camouflage too? And the answer is yes, but not in the way you may think. They fit in more with concealing coloration, using their green and brown color to blend in with their surroundings. As for their color changing ability, they use this more for regulating their temperature, communication, and for expressing their mood. So yeah, now you're a bit smarter after we talked about camouflage. Follow me, and I'll see you on the next one.